Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix overheating problems on your Poco M8 Pro. Follow each step carefully to make sure your device stays cool. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin.